Understanding the idiomatic expression, put the knife in. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idioms. Specifically, we'll explore the phrase, put the knife in. Idioms are a key part of mastering English, adding color and depth to the language. So, whether you're a language learner or just curious about English expressions, this video is for you. First, let's break down the literal meaning. The phrase consists of the words, put, the knife, and in. Literally, this could mean placing a knife into something. However, in English, idiomatic expressions often have meanings different from their literal words. This is where the journey gets interesting. In the idiomatic sense, put the knife in is used metaphorically. It means to betray someone, to hurt or backstab them, especially in a sneaky or underhanded way. It paints a picture of someone causing harm in a way that's unexpected or deceitful. Understanding an idiom is easier with examples. Let's see how put the knife in is used in sentences. 1. After smiling in the meeting, he put the knife in by criticizing my project behind my back. 2. I thought we were friends, but she really put the knife in when she spread those rumors about me. In both examples, the phrase is used to describe acts of betrayal or deceit. It's often helpful to know where an idiom comes from. The phrase, put the knife in, might originate from the act of literally stabbing someone, a betrayal of trust. Over time, it evolved into a metaphorical expression in English. When using this idiom, remember it has a negative connotation. It's suitable for situations where betrayal or deceit is involved. However, it's not appropriate for formal or professional contexts due to its strong imagery. We hope this video has shed light on the idiom, put the knife in. Understanding such expressions is a big step in mastering the nuances of English. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to use idioms to enrich your language skills. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next language exploration.